So we have y equal to 5x raised to power 3 over 4x plus 3. In this case now, this is quotient rule. Quotient means division. So this is quotient rule now, because you can even see the division line. So for quotient rule, this is the formula for quotient rule. We want to find derivative using quotient rule. So this is the formula. Your dy dx will be for quotient rule. So it will be g of x derivative, then h of x. You will not find derivative, but for quotient rule, it will not be plus, it will be minus. Then the other way around, h of x derivative and g of x over h of x all square. So this is the formula. This is what we apply. So we assume this to be our g and we assume this to be our h. Now let's solve it. Let's apply this formula. So derivative, this small one implies derivative, and this is our g. So derivative of this is 3 times 5, that's 15x, then subtract 1 from the power. That will be 3 minus 1, that's 2. So we have done this. Multiply by h of x. This is our h of x is the value. So this is our h of x. Without, you can see there's no small one without the derivative. So multiply by 4x, just the question directly. So we're done with this. Minus, now let's do this one. Always make use of this bracket when you get it, because this minus will affect everything here. So h of x derivative, this is our h of x. The derivative of this, derivative of 4x is 4. When you find derivative of just a letter, a number with a letter, because one invisible 1 times 4 is 4. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything raised by 0 is 1. So 1 times 4 is still 4. So even if it is 5x, it will be 5. 10x, it will be 10. So derivative of 4x is 4. Then derivative of a constant is 0. So we don't need to put this. So invariably is just 4. Then multiply by ordinary value of g of x. This is our g of x. So multiply by 5x raised to power 3. The reason I'm using this bracket is because of this minus, so that it will affect everything. Then over h of x of all square. This is our h of x. So h of x all square. So this is it. So let's just solve it. Let's open this bracket. 50 times 4, that's 60x. X squared, that's 2x. With 1x, that will be 3x. Plus 50 times 3, that's 45. Then s squared is just s squared that we have. Then this minus, let's try to open this. 4 times 5, that's 20x3. This minus will affect it, so minus 20x raised to power 3 over 4x plus 3 all square. So if you look at this is s raised to power 3, this is s raised to power 3, so you can subtract 60 minus 20, that will give us 40 x raised to power 3 plus 45 x square over 4x plus 3 all square. So this is our answer. Or you put this to the front. So